This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
It's 12 on the clock and you have tuned into the show that is an eye-opener on the rights that you as a consumer have but are not aware of. Good afternoon and welcome to this edition of Bill of Rights with me, Minal Shah. Let's take a look at some of the stories and discussions on consumer concerns highlighted by our reporter Bertila. Also stay tuned to tips from experts that you as a consumer can use. Here are this week's stories. Don't let that sweet-talking executive mislead you into buying insurance without checking out what it entails. Then we tell you what you can do when hospitals don't deliver on the comforts assured to you, especially when it's crucial to you. And we bring you a story of a vacation trip turning into a nightmare, courtesy the travel companies. All that only on today's Bill of Rights. A promotional phone call for a product or a service could sound very attractive and you may not want to miss on an opportunity to benefit from it. But experts warn that completing a deal over phone with an unsolicited caller has its serious risks. Our reporter Bertila takes us through an ordeal a man experienced after he gave his nod to a deal, all because of a sales pitch over the phone.
Ramanathan lives a quiet life in Chennai. Suddenly, an unsolicited phone call he received was so convincing, it led him into signing up insurance policies for himself and his wife worth 19,000 rupees each offered by the caller. The deal was made over phone, but later, when Ramanathan was not happy with the benefits, pulling out was not easy.
They can do the lip talk very well and most people fall for it. I fell for it too. See, first they want you to pay. Then only they send you a document with the promise that within 15 days you can cancel it if you want. But then, most of the people fall for it and they don't do the cancellation within 15 days. They don't even read the bigger print, not to mention the small print. Small print is rather difficult to read.
Ramanathan approached the consumer forum with evidence and won the case. He was able to recover just a few thousand rupees. But the experience had taught him not to trust promotional phone calls and messages. Experts warn that deals should never be made over phone.
For financial institutions or insurance, they should not do telemarketing to the unwanted customers. If they want to promote their products through telemarketing, they should explain all the ingredients of their product on one hand, and if the insurance comes under the telemarketing, they should explain the insurance policies and their coverages and how much it will help the customers. On the same hand, they should also explain to the customer that what was the premium and the amount paid by the customer, what will be the coverage of the premium to safeguard the interest of the customers.
Telemarketing companies promote everything from shampoos to financial loans. The best precaution against cheating is never to agree to the terms discussed over phone or share crucial details before reading the actual documents. In Chennai, Bertila, NDTV Hindu.
A special guest joined us and gave us a checklist of things to look at to avoid facing similar problems.
The IRDA has very clearly informed to all the people who are investing within the free look period. The free look period is nothing but a 15 days time is given to the consumer or the investor to ensure that in case you are receiving the documents and in case you are finding something contradictory to what the policy, the agent or the telephonic marketer has told, if you are not satisfied, if they are anti or if they are detrimental to your interest, you can always return the entire document and ask for the full fee refund of money within 15 days time.
It's like a guarantee or a warranty.
Yes, almost
period,
you can say
right?
that. If you are not satisfied with the performance in the case of goods,
Yes.
if you are not satisfied with the money in the case of this service, you can always return to the company and ask for full refund of money within 15 days of time. This is a very, very important class given by.
And it's efficiently being done as
Yes,
well.
yes, it's very efficiently done, it's being monitored and.
Okay.
All right. Also, no transaction can be complete over the phone line. So definitely, the consumer would have approached the person before signing up for the deal. Even then, if the authorities do fail to give.
Yeah, insurance, as a matter of fact, is a matter of solicitation. Only at the interest of the investor, it should be complied by the agent. Now in India, in many cases, the insurance agents or the facilitator going and chasing the person. It should be from the applicant or the consumer. If it is found to be guilty, and even in that case, the investor is expected to go into the details in detail. The agent or the facilitator should explain to him in detail also. And the application for all practical purposes should be filled only by the applicant. But many occasions we are doing it. In case the applicant is being facilitated by the facilitator to fill up, you should thoroughly explain to him, and there is one more clause saying that I have been thoroughly explained, the application has been filled by the agent, I have gone through the details, I am satisfied with it.
So clearly reading terms and conditions is a vital part of this
Vital
whole
part,
procedure.
because especially in case of heavy investment fund, normally
Yes.
investment is a matter of for 5 years or 10 years,
Yes.
and definitely it should be thoroughly looked at that.
But those documents have very minute and technical details that sometimes the person who's opting for an insurance may not understand. So that is why they also opt for the easier way out. So how do you think that this can be made?
They can always, for investments, they can always ask their family advocate. They have definitely known persons or stage, or they are even the chartered accountant. Normally now, even for filing our own IT returns, we engage a person who is thorough with the IT norm. You can consult them, or you can ask any of the consumer organizations or any of the NGOs who have been trained to help the consumers free of charges, and free counseling is given there.
So clearly this is a medium, whether it's the telephone or even any medium which does not involve face-to-face communication, in this case for insurance or even investment. I think the underlying factor is that go ahead only once you're satisfied, and make sure you're satisfied with your advocate or maybe somebody who's well versed in the field. Right?
Don't hesitate to ask any question. Maybe the question may be silly for the as far as insurance companies concerned.
Right.
But as far as
But you
investment
have
is
to be safe.
concerned,
Yes, absolutely.
you should be thoroughly satisfied.
A quick checklist of the documents that one needs to have and one needs to pay attention to before getting into a deal like this. Can you draw out a quick checklist?
Yeah,
for
quick
the
check
consumer?
means I can always say the what is the period of repayment, what is the period of repayment, what is the lock-in period. Lock-in period means if I am today, I will tell the investor, the company may tell just invest for 1 year only.
Right.
After reading the document, you will be able to see if you are surrendering within 5 years or 10 years, you will be losing so much of money.
Right.
And the lock-in period is very, very important, and ensure that you can continuously pay the money according to your family or your personal income.
Yes.
Whether you can consistently pay the money is very, very important. Don't be carried away by the attractive terms, whether you have the financial capacity to pay the money for a minimum period, for an ensured period.
All right. Thanks very much indeed, Mr. Jayaraman, for joining us once again in our studios and throwing light on this very important issue for everybody.
Especially
for everybody
this
concerned.
is a month where you have the income tax returns and income.
Absolutely.
People are
Yes.
investing for various
So all
IT
the
now.
more reason to be careful.
This is Bill of Rights. Up ahead, on the other side, we tell you how you should be careful while dealing with hospitals during emergencies. Stay with us.